Not all work happens in front of a screen or when your tracker is running. Fortunately, with Workstatus, manually logging your time is simple, accurate, and fully trackable even when you forget to start your tracker. Whether you are an agency or an in-house team, Workstatus makes it easy to submit, review, and approve timesheet, making everything accurate and compliant. So let me walk you through an example. Suppose you run an agency and you need to track time across multiple clients. Maybe your employer was in a meeting or on a call or just stepped away. No worries. With Workstatus, they can manually log those hours with full visibility so nothing gets missed. From your Workstatus main navigation, head to a timesheet. Now click on Add Time. Select the project. Select the task. Select the time duration. Enter a reason. You can even define the productivity and select whether the task is billable or not. Now just click on Save. You, along with your manager, will be notified that you had added a new member timesheet. So now let us take a look at the manager view, the place where every timesheet is reviewed and approved. Managers are instantly notified whenever a new member timesheet entry is raised. From timesheet, they click on the approval tab and they can see timesheet of each individual and details like their start time, end time, duration, and much more. With just one click, managers can either approve or reject a timesheet along with a note, keeping everything clean, fair, and transparent. Once approved, the time is added to a team member timesheet, just like automated trackers. No gap, no confusion, just clear visibility. With Workstatus, every minute counts, even the offline one. Try manual time tracking today and stay 100% accurate, up to date, and compliant.